Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common yet perplexing problem. You turn on your PC, the lights are on, fans are whirring, but your monitor just says no signal. Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered with some tried and true fixes. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's start with the basics. Checking your connections. It's simple but surprisingly effective. Here's how. Ensure your monitor is powered on and set to the correct input source HDMI. Display word VGA, make sure it matches. Try a different cable if you have one. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Sometimes the issue might be inside your PC case. A common fix? Resetting your RAM. Here's a safe and easy way to do it. Turn off your PC and unplug it. Touch a metal part of the case to ground yourself and avoid static damage. Make sure they click into place. If you're not comfortable doing this, seek professional help. Let's see if that did the trick. No? Alright, on to the next step. Another hardware check, your graphics card. Here's what to do. With the PC off and unplugged, open the case, ground yourself again. If you have integrated graphics, try removing the graphic card and connecting your monitor to the motherboard's display output. Graphics card issues can often mimic signal problems, so this is a key step. Still no display? We have one more trick up our sleeve. Clearing the CMOS can resolve a myriad of issues by resetting your BIOS settings to default. Here's how to safely do it. Power off and unplug your PC. Carefully remove the CMOS battery. Wait about 5 minutes, then put it back in. This resets your BIOS settings, which can sometimes get in the way of a successful boot. Give it a try. We've covered some of the most effective solutions for when your PC is on but there is no signal to your monitor. Hopefully, one of these steps got you back in action. If not, it might be time to consult with a professional, as there could be a deeper issue at play. Did our tips help you solve the problem? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.